welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about the implementation of different universal gates and making multiplexers, demultiplexers, encoders, and decoders. So, without wasting time, let's go to our plan. First, over here, we would be joining up with a simple circuit of mux. We have used and or not gates to make a multiplexer. Now this part of the multiplexer is when we use switches, gates, and the power option. This is a natural implementation of mux, and this part is just the logical implementation of mux because it has logic gates and logic statements included in it. So first, in playing it, if both the selection line is 1 and D is 0. So this part is 1. This is also one. Okay, my LED is not working. I would simply be going over here and changing my LED. And you can also find its result over here. In Logic Squared it is implementation, but if you see over here you can see that it is working. But just because my LED is not working because I've reopened this file, so I will be showing you over here. So if if both selections are starting off with 0, if both the selection line are 0, if both the selection line are 0, so this will and A is okay. So now you can see all the three inputs is in plus and the AND gate is on, and you can see it is 1. Now if AND is 0 and B is 1 and selection 1 is 1, then B is 1. Now if C is 1 and B is 0 and selection 2 is positive and selection 1 is negative, then we have C is the output of it. So this output would be implemented at the output gate. So now Mux clean. Uh, then we would be going to demux or this is our demux. We're playing it. You can see okay its selection lines are working. So when both the selection lines are 1, the output of this is 0. The last output is 1 because this is the data it is always positive. Now if both the selection lines are 0, if both the selection lines are 0, then you can see over here. Okay, it's not changing. So the main reason of this not working is that its simulation is paused due to the as I have reopened it, it is not working over here, but we will see over from this over here. But as you can also see that all the three inputs of 1 are 1 and this would be 1. So this is 1. If selection line 1 is 1, then selection line C is positive. Then if selection line C is 2 is positive, then selection B is 1. So this is our also circuit that both is 1, then D is 1. So this is also implements our circuit of DMUX. That if we have two selection lines, one data we have 4 inputs. So the data is equals to 0 when both the selection line are 0. The data is equals to C when selection line 1 is positive, and the data is equals to B when selection line 2 is positive. The data is equals to D when both the selection line are positive. Now after that, and the difference, changing we can simply change this whole circuit into decoder as well. If we convert this is the input 1 and this is input 2 and this is enable. For example, if we turn over here, for example, I've done over here. So as you can see over here, now it is instead of that selection 1 selection 2, it is data input 1 input 2 and then enable, and this will also be representing the circuit as same results. If both the select data 1 is 0, then the output would be uh, A or B0, B0, the enable will be B0. Then if data 1 is positive, then enable is equals to C. And data, if data 2 is positive and data B is negative, then it's B. And if both are positive, then D. We have also implemented the circuit on Cortex. So the code for this would be simply we have implemented the same circuit which was given to us. Like we have implemented the inputs A0, AL, and enable that were given over here, as you can see. And then we would have output is equal to A1, A2, output is equal to B0, B1, B2, B3. And the assignment would be B0 is equal to if negative of A0 multiplied by negative of B A1 then multiplied by A. So this would be the same circuit implementation that we have done over here. The same we would just be giving the logics like this is an AND gate, this is AND gate, and this is negative negative multiplied by enable. So this would be B0. So just like this we would be implementing, and you can see the RDA view is the same as the this view is same as the RTL view, so it is correct. You can also see in the waveform that it is giving the correct answer. That if B0 is 1, then and then our B2 enable is 1, then our B2 is equals to 1. That is C, and that is the correct answer. Now after that, we would be doing we have done coders decoder. Now it's encoder time. As we have done encoder decoder, in decoders there are 4 inputs and two inputs and 4 outputs. In encoders it would be reverse, it would be 4 inputs and 2 outputs. So it has a simple circuit over here. You can see there are simple circuit connections that we have done. If one is positive, then both are positive because if is connected to both. If one is 0 and sorry, I forgot to wait. So if one is positive, 3 is positive, input 3 is positive, then the only circuit that would be a positive, that would be circuit 2, this one. And then and 1 is and input 2 is positive, then this first circuit is positive, as you can see over the connect. But when input 0 is positive, nothing would be happening over here. Then these both inputs will be 0 because it is not connected. So this would be our encoder. So after encoder decoder, we can also go to the Cortex circuit. Then encoder mux for mux. This would be the mux. Um, in, this was our circuit mux. This is the Proteus RTL view, and this is our code. In this code, we have simply typed that input A, input B, input D, C, input D, and input and out input A, C, S0, S0, and S1. That is our selection lines. And then we have simply connected it case with always statement begin case statement S1, S1, S0 at S1. And then B001, then begin is equal to E is equal to A, B is equal to A, B, B, C, and then we have implemented it like this. Its waveform is also correct, giving correct answer that we have seen. Selection line 1 is positive and A and B is positive. Then EB is equals to E1 is equals to positive, and it will be giving an answer of B. Okay, so after this we can see the coding of demuxes. Now the coding of demuxes is a little similar to the muxes. It is in simple. We have given AB as the input and output, and data as the as a input selection line. Then input would be one. There might be two code two input selection line. These are selection line. This A would be the selection line part. Input would be data. That would be our data. That would be include, and output would be regular. That means it variable, and it would be 4-bit. We have to go to one cross 4 marks. So we have 3 bits of 1 and 1 bit of data. So when we use always statement and begin the case, when we say that if selection line is B001, B00, then then our B would be is equals B, 0 would be our data value would be the same as B0. Then if other would be 0, then if B is 1, selection line 1 is positive, then the beginning data would be data 1, B1 would be that is equals to data value, and the other would be net 0. Then with B1 0, then our equation would be B2 is equals to data, and then similarly with waveform. So our um, RT view is this, and this is our output of a wave, and you can see it is correct wave in form of this. Okay, so after that we have encoders code. Now in coders code, it is a simple circuit, so we have just gone simply with the code, and that is a very simple code. The B0 equals to 1 is equal to A1 or A3, and we have simply seen the circuit that we have. You can see over here that A1, this B1 is equal to A1, that is E1, input 1, multiplied by input 3. I consider this input 1, input 2, input 3, and input 4. Then input 1 is equal to input 1 multiplied by input 3, and what because plus करेंगे input 1 multiplied plus input 3, and then we would be multiplying it with enable, and because it is an AND gate, and it would be resulting in the its output. You can see the circuit of the Proteus implementation and Cortex implementation RTU is the same. The graph, the waveform is also correct. So given this correct output, that when A1 is equal to 1 and um, enable is 1, then B0 is equal to 1, because B0 was A1 multiplied by A3. So that's it for encoders and decoders. I've already implemented flip flop, GK flip flops, master slave flip flop. This is a GK flip flop. This is a master slave SR circuit. It is also workable. So let's, and this a simple G flip flop, SR flip flop. I've already implemented these already. So that's it from decoders, encoders, multiplexers, muxes, demuxes, and thank you very much. Jazakallah khair.